In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom on Google Drive. Whether you need to take a closer look at images and PDFs or adjust your view in Google Docs, Sheets and Slides, we've got you covered. We'll also explore how to zoom the entire Google Drive interface so you'll be able to see everything more clearly, whether you're on a Windows computer or a Mac. Let's start with image and PDF files. When you're working with these types of files, the first step is to open the image or PDF that you want to zoom in on. Once you have the file open, you'll see a toolbar appear under the preview of your image or PDF. Here you'll find zoom in and zoom out buttons, often represented by plus and minus symbols. Simply click the plus sign to zoom in for a closer look at the details, or click the minus sign to zoom out and see more of the image or document at once. This is particularly useful if you're examining a detailed graphic or reading small text on a PDF. Now, if you're working within Google Docs, Sheets or Slides, the process is similarly straightforward. Start by opening the document, spreadsheet or presentation you're going to work with. Once there, head to the menu at the top of your screen and click on View. This will display a drop-down menu. From there, hover over Zoom and you'll see a range of options pop up. You can choose the desired zoom percentage that suits your needs, whether it's a closer look at specific data in a sheet or a broader view of your entire slide deck. For those of you looking to adjust the entire Google Drive interface itself, we have a couple of shortcuts that can make this task quick and easy, regardless of your operating system. If you're using a Windows computer, you can zoom in or out by pressing the Ctrl key along with the plus or minus keys on your keyboard. This is a handy way to make everything larger or smaller, from file thumbnails to folder names. For Mac users, the process is quite similar. Instead of Ctrl, you'll use the CMD key. So to zoom in, you'll hold down CMD and tap the plus key. To zoom out, you'll hold CMD and press the minus key. These keyboard shortcuts provide a simple way to adjust your view quickly without navigating through menus. And there you have it. With these techniques, you're now equipped to effectively control your zoom settings in Google Drive, making it easier to focus on the details that matter most to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.